Motion AI versus Notion. Choosing the right productivity tool can completely change how you manage tasks and projects without feeling overwhelmed. Motion AI offers AI-powered automation, while Notion focuses on flexible, all-in-one workspace customization. Motion AI and Notion are two popular productivity platforms with different approaches. Motion AI uses artificial intelligence to automate scheduling and task prioritization, while Notion provides a highly customizable workspace for notes, databases, and collaboration. The core difference is automation versus manual flexibility. Motion AI is an intelligent productivity tool designed to automate your daily planning and task management. It works by integrating your calendar, to-do lists, and projects, then uses AI algorithms to automatically schedule and prioritize tasks based on deadlines and workload. This reduces the time spent manually organizing your day and helps maintain focus on high-impact activities. Its strengths lie in its ability to adapt your schedule dynamically, saving you from overbooking or missing deadlines. However, Motion AI may have limitations for users who prefer full control over every task detail or need extensive customization beyond scheduling. It is ideal for professionals and teams looking for smart automation to boost efficiency and reduce planning stress. Motion AI streamlines workflow by handling routine organization, allowing users to concentrate on execution rather than planning. Notion is a versatile productivity platform that combines notes, databases, wikis, and project management into one customizable workspace. It works by letting users build pages and templates tailored to their unique workflows, supporting everything from simple to complex organizational needs. Notion's strengths are its flexibility and collaboration features, enabling teams to share documents, track projects, and centralize knowledge effortlessly. It supports rich content like text, images, tables, and embeds, making it a powerful tool for documentation and planning. However, Notion requires manual setup and ongoing maintenance, which can be time-consuming and overwhelming for some users. It is best suited for individuals and teams who want full control over their workspace design and prefer a centralized hub for diverse content types. Notion excels at adapting to various use cases, but depends on user input rather than automation to keep workflows on track. Motion AI and Notion serve different productivity needs with distinct trade-offs. Motion AI shines in automating task scheduling, ideal for users who want to minimize planning time and rely on AI to manage priorities dynamically. For example, busy professionals juggling multiple deadlines benefit from its smart calendar integration. In contrast, Notion offers unmatched flexibility as a customizable workspace, perfect for teams that need to organize diverse content and collaborate extensively. However, Notion demands manual effort to build and maintain workflows, which can slow down users who prefer automation. If you want a tool that handles task management intelligently with minimal input, Motion AI is the better fit. But if you need a powerful all-in-one platform to document, plan, and collaborate with full control, Notion stands out. Both tools can complement different working styles depending on your priorities. Choose Motion AI if you want AI-powered automation to optimize your schedule and reduce planning time without sacrificing task prioritization accuracy. Opt for Notion if you need a highly customizable, all-in-one workspace for notes, databases, and collaboration. It excels when you prefer full control over your productivity system and want to centralize diverse workflows in one platform. Both tools have unique strengths for different users.